In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Toggl Track with Todoist efficiently, and we'll get it all done in just 5 minutes. If you're someone who thrives on structure and needs a streamlined process for managing tasks and tracking time, integrating these two tools can be incredibly beneficial. Now let's dive into the details of getting this integration set up. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head to the Chrome Web Store. This is where you'll find an assortment of helpful extensions that can enhance your productivity tools. Once you're there, you'll want to use the search function to look for the Toggl Track browser extension. As you search, make sure you're selecting the accurate and official extension that corresponds to Toggl Track to avoid any third-party versions that might not function as expected. After you've located the Toggl Track extension, click to open it. If you haven't already, you'll need to log in to your Toggl Track account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, as this step ensures that you're connecting the right account to your task management tool. It's important to verify you are logged into the account that you actively use to ensure all your data connects seamlessly. Once you're logged in, navigate to the pop-up window of the extension and look for the gear icon located at the top right. This icon is the gateway to the settings of the extension, where you can make adjustments and configure integrations. Clicking this gear icon will open a new browser tab filled with customization options. Next, in this new tab, focus on the Integrations section. This is crucial because this is where you can connect Toggl Track with various other applications. To streamline your search, use the filter field provided and type Todoist. This will narrow down the visible integrations and pinpoint exactly what you're looking for. When you see Todoist listed, click the checkbox next to it to enable the integration. It's likely that a pop-up window will appear asking for permission to link the accounts. Click Allow to grant access, ensuring that the connection between Toggl and Todoist is activated successfully. With the integration enabled, move over to your Todoist dashboard. Here, when you hover over any of your tasks, you'll notice a Toggl Track button appearing. This button is the key to merging task management with time tracking. Click on it to open the Toggl Track pop-up. At this stage, you can start the timer, add a description to your task, or even select a specific project where the time entry should be recorded. And just like that, you've successfully integrated Toggl Track with Todoist. This setup will not only boost your productivity by offering a seamless way to manage tasks and track time, it will also give you insightful data to help optimize your workflow. Thank you for watching, and happy tracking!